Okay, I got to step 144, and I noticed that the hose that they supplied was a straight hose. Looking at the image here, kind of make that out, but then I went over to my iPad here and actually was able to blow this up a bit, try to get the glare out of there, and you can see that there's an elbow. So I called Whipple and I spoke with Jeff, and Jeff had explained to me that they had some issues with supply on the elbow, so I guess they retroed and realized that they could use a longer hose and just not need the elbow. So, but obviously with the hose supplied, it was a little short, and it actually kinks when you and I bend it several different ways to try to make it work, and it actually kind of kinked a little bit. And talking to Jeff, he said, well, that hose, this right here actually applies the boost, so this is kind of important. If it doesn't work, obviously, if it doesn't get the proper vacuum, it's not gonna you're not gonna create any boost. So looking at it, I think from the design, probably if you could see in here, the elbow that actually goes into the intake, if it was actually if you could torque it down and get it to where it would line up in between this run here, I believe that it would probably be long enough and just fit just perfect and have a nice bend. I'm kind of reluctant to back that out and try to rethread it, so I'm going to leave it where it's at. And I think what Jeff and I discussed is just putting a longer hose on it. So I'm going to do that next. I'm going to stop here, and once I get that result, I'll do another video.